really good gift opener.
Oh, where's it?
It's just a piece of tape. Open this. What is it?
What is it?
What's that?
That's a dog.
A doggy.
That's from Craig and Nikki.
I
Look,
never
there's...
saw it there.
It's the
Yeah.
book.
They got her this book
It's the book.
and that dog.
Kayla, what's in the box here?
Look, there's more stuff underneath.
Do you know what that is?
There's a book.
It is a book. Do you know what this is?
Well,
Look,
Kayla, look what Mommy has.
Look, it's a backpack.
You can wear your very own backpack.
You want to put it on your back? Here, put your arm through. Put your arm through, and then put this through. See, and then you do this, just like how Mommy does. See?
Looky there.
like Mommy does.
Just like Mommy does it. There we go.
Baby doesn't do it.
She's going to want to put babies in it.
No.
And this is a lunch box for when we have a picnic.
We can put
Go
food
on
in it.
lunch. Put our lunch in the lunch box.
What about the bag? You want to see what's in the bag?
Baby does.
Should I do it? Come here, you want Mommy to put baby in there? You want Mommy to put baby in there? Okay. Okay. Here, I'll put baby in. That's off the big part. Hold on. Hold on, let me. Okay, baby's all ready. Are you taking baby on a hike? Oh, no.
See you later.